We have the technology here. We have an extremely large talent base for this type of production facility.
For over 3 decades, Jendamark has been building the production lines that build the components that build the cars you drive. What started as a small business assembling its first machine on a kitchen table in Nelson Mandela Bay has grown into a global brand that is researching and developing manufacturing and digital solutions from its facilities in South Africa, India, Germany, and the USA. South Africa's automotive capital is still our home, and today we have exported over 3,500 assembly systems to global vehicle manufacturers in more than 35 countries. But we've also been building much more than just car parts. We've been building the future of industrial economies, the future of education and employment, the future of our country and humanity. Our philosophy is simple. We are building capabilities that help solve common global challenges, technologies that put people first and pay the price of tomorrow, that help children learn, that unlock future industry talent, that support workers to do their jobs faster, better, smarter, so communities and companies can succeed and South Africa can prosper. The fourth industrial revolution is here, and artificial intelligence is reshaping the world in ways we haven't begun to imagine. Jendamark's ODIN solutions are future-ready and changing the narrative around Africa and our place on the global stage. We are creating world-class technologies right here in our developing economy and exporting them to developed economies to build a better tomorrow for us all, as Ubuntu prescribes. It is this unshakable belief in our people's abilities that has seen us send a locally built lights-out production line to a car maker in Germany and allowed our learning solution to change the lives of thousands of underprivileged children in India and South Africa. As a South African-born company, we are proud of where we come from. We're excited about where we're going, and we'd love you to join us as we explore the new frontier of human-centric technologies. In the words of another Eastern Cape visionary, Stephen Bantu Biko, the great powers of the world may have done wonders by giving the world an industrial look, but the great gift still has to come from Africa, giving the world a more human face. We say, why can't we do both?